can stop one heart from breaking, I shall not live in vain. If I can ease one life the aching, or cool one pain, or help one fainting robin unto his nest again, I shall not live in vain. No, I shall not live in vain. I can lift one fallen spirit, or mend a shattered wing. If I can whisper hope to hear it like the wind in spring, or I know the sky, but love is light. It teaches me to try. Though I am small, my hands can hold the light, and that is enough not to live in vain. So I'll help the fainting robin unto his nest again. I shall not live